YouTube? It's your boy Only1BrownBear back at it again with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna do 2 videos in one day. So like I always tell y'all, if y'all see the same outfit on in 2 different videos, it was filmed in the same day. Your boy is not just wearing the same outfit in every video because I'm not taking baths or whatnot. I am not that guy. But look, before we get into the video, I know y'all saw the description, so I'm gonna be installing the diffuser today. And also I am going to be installing the oil catch can. Now, I was thinking I should just wait to install the oil catch can to my next oil change, to my first oil change, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway, you know what I'm saying? Just get out of the way. But before we get started though, this thing right here will be going to the car wash. So that's what we're on the way right now, is to the car wash, because she is dirty. Look at this. Brake dust. Sling. I can't do it. Hey, the struggles of having a white car, right? But yeah, man, so like I said, we about to go to the car wash right now. When we get back from the car wash, we'll get into installing the diffuser. And yeah, let's enjoy this beautiful Saturday. Just got back from the car wash. Had to get Betty White. Oh my God, Betty White. I miss you, Betty White. I had to get Vanna White cleaned up. So right now I'm just finishing up the wheels, and as y'all can see, I'm sweating. It's hot out here. But yeah, like I said, get the wheels cleaned up, and I'm done with washing the car, detailing the car. Just hit it with some Adams polish and some Adams after wash. Gotta have that. If you don't have it, invest in it. Good stuff. And then we're gonna go ahead and get into the install of the rear diffuser. So yeah, man, after I get done with the wheels, I'm gonna give y'all this walk around. Just got done cleaning Vanna White. Yes, sir. She is clean. Much needed bath. Much needed. Got the wheels right. These will be candy purple. That's what I decided to go with, y'all. Appreciate all y'all who dropped the comment. But yeah, Vanna White is clean. So now it's time to get this diffuser installed, and hopefully if I'm filling up to it, we'll go ahead and get that oil catch can installed as well. Man, but it's hot out here, man. I don't feel like playing musical cars. I don't feel like moving this car at the garage, putting that one in. Nah, it's whatever. So I'm gonna tough it out and make it do what it do, and keep grinding while being hot. So yeah, let me go ahead and get started, get set up, get everything out, and this install shouldn't take long at all. You know, everybody knows it's three screws and 2 clips, and then you just pop it out and reinstall it. So don't look for no crazy installation type ordeal with putting this diffuser on. So, all right, just got all the tools and everything I need to go ahead and get started. So you're gonna need a 7mm socket. You're gonna need a Phillips head screwdriver or a bit if you're using impact gun, and of course the aftermarket diffuser. Now, it's time to get this bad boy off because this is a no-go. That right there, yes, time to go. So after the diffuser is installed, I think my next move will be ordering the carbon 5-inch exhaust tips because these little bad boys ain't gonna cut it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this time lapse. And all right, that was easy. Got that off. Now it's time to put this one back on. God, just look at that. There's nothing to it. I don't know why Dodge did that. Just gave us this plain Jane. If anybody wants this for sale, for free. This is more like it. That's what we need in our life. So let me go ahead and get set up, and we almost done, y'all. Oh. All right, y'all. So that's it. That's all to it. Little simple install. Nothing crazy. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Y'all let me know what y'all think. That one or that one? All right, guys. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the new diffuser on Vanna White, my Hellcat. I like it. I mean, I had it on not the same brand, but I had the same style on Betty White, the Scat Pack, when I had it. Shout out to my subscriber Austin Harris, who now has it. But so like I said, car coming along pretty good. Got the wicker bill done, got the diffuser done. What's next is the 5-inch carbon exhaust tips. Y'all let me know if I should go with black or polish. I'm leaning more towards the polish because the whole car is white. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate each and every one of y'all who subscribe to the channel, who support the channel, who support me with doing stuff with the channel. I do need y'all to watch some ads. Even if you don't watch the whole ad, watch a little bit of it. You know what I'm saying? So help support your boy so I can help support back to you all. You know what I'm saying? So by doing merch or whatnot, hit that subscribe button, man. As soon as you click my video, hit that subscribe button. I promise I will not disappoint with my content. It don't cost nothing to subscribe. It ain't gonna hurt you. You know what I'm saying? It's just gonna help me grow and help the channel grow. And that's it, man. I just need y'all to hit that subscribe button. If you click the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button for me. If not, it's all good. I appreciate you for watching. Keep moving. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, that's about it for this video, man. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, and we out.